Okay, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo I received a few days ago. And this one is pretty special because my sister sent it to me. And let's take a look at it. Now, this one came in the regular Zippo box. And it is labeled Fantasy. Now, this one is a high polished chrome finish. And on the front it looks like there's a wizard. Could be Gandalf, maybe Dumbledore. This is a really nice one. This one was made in, let's see, it says, looks like C of 14, March of 14. Pretty good stampings. Really good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Okay, let's do a drop test on this one. I'm only going to do one drop test. It's going to be a lit drop test from, about 2 feet. That was out of camera, so I'll try it again. Still lit. Okay, so it passed the drop test nicely. That is high polished chrome finish on this Wizards Zippo. Of course, it's made in the USA, and it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.